Adele, honey, there's a surprise for you.
Surprise!
Hey, sweetie. Meet Miko.
Hello, Miko. You can call me Ed.
Hello, Ed.
Math's tough.
Hey, what are you doing?
Can you help me with my tables?
Tables, furniture with the flat top and...
Oh no, Miko. I meant multiplication tables, like a table of 4.
Sure, 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 3?
15?
7 times 5?
35.
8 times 4?
38. No, 32.
12 times 12?
144.
Good job. It's time to party.
Good dinosaur woke up in the morning.
Hey, he's not a good dinosaur.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, sweetie.
Why isn't he a good dinosaur?
Because he didn't brush his big teeth. Nighty-night.
Bye, Dad. Wow, it's a beautiful rainbow.
What are the colors of the rainbow?
Red,
Orange,
yellow,
green,
blue,
indigo.
violet.
That's absolutely right, Dad.
With conversational learning, teleconnect, privacy eye patch, and an ever-growing host of talents like games, activities, and much more, Miko 2. Open up your child's world.
Happy birthday!
Wow!
Hello, guys.
Hello?
You are so cute.
Sing a song, please. Turn left.
I like you. The quiz was determined to find out.
Goodbye.
Okay, see you.
Baby, good night.
This is Mike. He's a painter. This is Jessica. She's really into music. This is David. He loves playing games. This is Cody Rocky, their friendly coding companion. Cody is a standalone remote controller with more than 10 advanced electronic modules. Each module can be accessed by writing your own program. Rocky is the car that lets you take Cody anywhere you want. Every child is a born creator. Given the right tools, they can explore their capabilities and find their place in the world as innovators, engineers, scientists, and many other things. Cody Rocky's easy-to-use graphical programming language lets children explore their creativity in code by dragging and dropping blocks. He built a remote controller for his games. He created a moisture sensing and plant watering device. She programmed her remote-controlled car to avoid obstacles all on its own. Cody Rocky is all you need to make your ideas real through code.
Benzema is going to find him now. Alexander, the defender. Ronaldo heading.
Control your TV with Cody Rocky. Make new use of your old Lego blocks with Cody Rocky. And even create music with Cody Rocky and your own code.
I'm Macrobot.
I'm Macrobot. I'm Macrobot.
Nice to meet you. Let's draw something.
Hello and welcome to the drawing. Today we're going to draw the egg bird monster. Let's start with the eye. Make 2 circles just like this for an eyeball. Now make the beak with a line that goes out from the eyeball, then back, and then up to the eyeball here. When you're all done, get out your colored pencils, your crayons, your markers, and color in.
Zero. Here is a balloon. There is a baby holding a fork. Pops the balloon. Boom! There is no more balloon. So now there is 0 balloon. Do you know how many candies I have now? Yes, 3 candies. That's right. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Can you tell me how many pieces of candy I have left? 10 minus 2 equals 8. I have 8 candies left. Letter B. B is for banana. I have big ears and a really long nose. That doesn't mean I'm always lying. Can you find the next letter? Correct! The 5th letter is H. Excellent! I am an elephant. Well done!